Hey there, it's Marty Fraser, the bearded realtor from Stone Success Realty. Today, Amy and I are showcasing our next listing here at 80 Old Country, Unit 7 in the Country Hills portion of Kitchener. This townhouse-style condo was just built in 1976. Let's go in and have a look around. According to Google Maps, 80 Old Country Unit 7 is just 6 minutes from the expressway at Homer Watson and only a 4-minute walk to the Forest Glen Shopping Plaza. Unit 7 is one of few in the complex with forced air gas heat. Most units still have electric baseboard heat. This 3-bed, 2-bath home is 1,250 square feet with a partially finished basement and a single-car garage. The home has had updates to both the kitchen and the family bathroom. Here we are in the living room area, open above to the dining room, and we have these great maple hardwood floors. Here we are in the upper level. We have the family bathroom, 3 carpet-free bedrooms, and the master can easily fit a king-size bed. This home is in the Country Hills and Our Lady of Grace Elementary School districts. The basement has a rec room area, the laundry, and this 2-piece bathroom. At the rear of the home, we have a fenced deck area with gate that leads to condo green space and a kids' play area. Well, there you have it. We have this townhouse-style condo with garage that will appeal to the first-time buyer looking to get on the property ladder. Are you interested in this home? Please call me to set up an appointment. I'd love to meet you in person, shake your hand, and bring you through this Country Hills condo.